Daniel, Chloe. What are you doing? Daniel, why are you wearing a purple shirt? You're not a girl. You're not a girl, Daniel.
¿Qué dice esta señorita? Dale el color purple.
Daniel, Chloe, what are you doing? What are you doing? Your class? But you're not a girl, Daniel. You're a girl? No, Daniel. It's okay. It's okay. You have a towel. What are you doing? Okay. Next time, have another one. Chloe, why is Daniel wearing purple? Daniel, why are you wearing purple? Daniel, you're not a girl. Daniel, you're not a girl. Sylvia should sleep in your bed?
Yeah.
Okay. You love Sylvia? I love Sylvia. I don't know.
I sleep with Daddy.
You sleep with Sylvia? Every day?
I sleep there.
Yeah? But Daniel, you make pee in my bed. You make pee in my bed. Remember you make pee in my bed?